The joy that never ends. Understanding, the fun never stops. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, the fun never stops. This expression is a gem in everyday English, encapsulating joy, continuity, and the essence of ongoing entertainment or pleasure. If you've ever wondered about its meanings and usage, you're in the right place. The fun never stops is an idiom that suggests a situation or activity is continuously enjoyable and that the enjoyment or amusement it provides doesn't come to an end. It's a way of saying that something is so entertaining that it feels like the excitement or happiness it brings could go on forever. This phrase is often used positively, to express that people are having a great time and don't want it to end. You can use "the fun never stops" in various contexts, from casual conversations to written communication, but it shines in social settings. Whether you're at a party, enjoying a holiday, or experiencing a series of enjoyable events, this phrase perfectly captures the spirit of never-ending joy. 1. Social gatherings. This party is amazing. The fun never stops here. 2. Vacations. Every day is an adventure on this island. Truly, the fun never stops. 3. Continuous entertainment. With so many games and activities, the fun never stops for the kids at this resort. It's also versatile, fitting well in sarcastic remarks where the context might not be genuinely enjoyable. For example, if you're swamped with work, you might say, "At this office, the fun never stops," with a tone that suggests the opposite of actual fun. The phrase, "the fun never stops," reflects a cultural appreciation for continuous enjoyment and entertainment. It's a testament to the value placed on positive experiences and the desire for these experiences to last. Understanding such expressions helps non-native speakers grasp more than just the language. It offers a peek into the mindset and values of English-speaking cultures, emphasizing a pursuit of happiness and enjoyment in life. And there we have it. The fun never stops is more than just a phrase. It's an expression of endless joy, a wish for perpetual amusement, and sometimes a sarcastic remark about life's relentless demands. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations, adding a bit more joy to your language learning journey. Remember, the fun in learning English never stops, especially when we explore it together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.